Guys, this problem says find the indefinite integral of sine squared of 3x cosine 3x dx. Now that's a lot to do. Obviously, I'm going to have to do, obviously look at the complexity of it, a u substitution, hopefully. We're going to see if this works. So we're going to look for a pattern that we can let one part of this integral represent u, and then taking the derivative of that expression, hopefully be equivalent to something else that's in the integral. Just remembering the derivative of cosine is negative sine, and the derivative of sine is cosine. If you notice, the sine has an exponent of 2, the cosine doesn't have an exponent. So basically, I'm going to let u just be equal to sine of 3x. Okay, the reason is because if I'm successful with this, then I can just let this be u squared. All right, now let's take the derivative of u. Well, the derivative of u, so the derivative of sine of 3x, well, the derivative of sine would be cosine of 3x, but this is the chain rule, so the derivative of 3x would be 3 dx. Now, I hope that you notice that cosine of 3x dx is in the original integral. The only thing that's missing is this 3 that's right there. But we can easily substitute that value into my integral as long as I balance that by doing the reciprocal, so putting 1/3 in front of the integral. And so now I have everything, every part that I need. So I'm just going to rewrite this. So 1/3 outside of the integral. We're going to let sine of 3x represent u. So this is going to be u squared. So I'm going to have u squared. And then we said 3 cosine 3x dx is du. So notice that the reason why we do u substitutions is because it basically takes a very complex integral and breaks it down to a more manageable power rule. So now I'm going to use the power rule. I'm going to add 1. So this is going to be u to the 3rd. I'm going to do the reciprocal and put 1/3 in front. Don't forget about the 1/3 we originally pulled out. And don't forget to put the plus c. Do some algebra. This is going to be 1/9 u to the 3rd plus c. But again, guys, this is not your final answer because it's a u substitution. What did you originally let u equal? That was sine of 3x. So I'm just going to replace that u back with sine of 3x cubed plus c. And guys, you don't have to write it like this. If you wanted to, you could write it as 1/9 sine cubed of 3x plus c. But either one of these answers would be okay because they are equivalent.